क्या करेगा कुछ कुछ ला 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 वेरी सॉरी दे नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम प्लस कॉल आ गया था नेटवर्क से ज़्यादा ओपते है नेटवर्क इमान क्यों होगा आ जाओ ऑनलाइन पे आ जाओ हो 1 लाइक 0 व्यूज क्या मतलब है यार अभी जल्दी से जल्दी ये डिक्लेयर कर देगा नुका नेटवर्क शादी को नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम था नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम प्लस सिस्टर का कॉल आया इसलिए तुमने रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर नहीं पाया नेटवर्क भी बोसरीदी की है बोसरीदी की ओके एंड पीपल आर वाचिंग very good okay 10% okay very good 6 like yes it should be like this anai gu samria sầu hang sang ra lâu Zeusia lay 7 likes yes I am declaring soon azi rame gaso bro lale your name r oh I don't know talent expose nang comment ge te mak pe me bam me ga me bam nang net comment na bamuda if not I'm very sorry nang suma se kya tab आ जाओ ऑनलाइन पे आ जाओ जल्दी से जल्दी रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर करना है मुझे इसको पिकअप करने so sorry for the last time because of the network problem and because of sister call na I get this late off 14 अभी अगर 30 प्लस हो गया तो जल्दी से जल्दी डिक्लेयर कर देंगे commentator you feel bored right because of the net problem yes bro it's raining here these days no bro it's not raining 14% 9 likes शेयर कर दो वीडियो शेयर कर दो प्लीज शेयर कर दो और इसको जल्द से जल्द रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर करना है मुझे friend if you're watching share the video and give this one thumbs up वो भी चलेगा लेकिन views जरूरी है 15-17 क्लियर नहीं हो रहा है आपका वीडियो यार वीडियो तो क्लियर हो नहीं रहा है तो मुझे क्या करो नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम से ही होगा से हेलो मैरी हेलो result declaring soon result is declaring soon so be क्या ये online bamla da bat nangun net ja video clear magle तेरे से नुका clear में aku voice clear पे लमे perang what you are writing मेरा नाम भी लिस्ट में लगा देखा मैंने लक देखता हूँ मेरा लक देखता हूँ ठीक है लगा लिया है how many piece of paper are in it okay we have more than 200 paper actually we have more than 4,000 sorry not 4,000 how it can be yeah we have more than 400 comment but I have included my replies no? So total we have Perang, why you had deleted your message yeah you're not supposed to delete okay how many piece paper 200 paper and then hello क्या ये hello cái gì ba là tiêu ai đủ cái gì ba là nào tiêu ai đủ có được không còn là tiền đấy tiêu một chỉ cái quay nó của nó mà viewers itu quay của nó am kita tena tolaka itu mau 18. Look at try the pin message है तो जी कोई बैको में या try करके देखते हैं ना yes or no if you want me to try trial करके देखता क्या trial we have more than 200 paper more than 250 yes participant अपना लाख दिखिए जरूर and then before we have more than 30 views but now right now people are very some आओ ना शेयर कर दो ना वीडियो शेयर कर दो ना वही उनका तो क्लियर पे हमारे मांगो अभी भी क्लियर नहीं दे रहा है क्या ओ मिस्टर वरिसा यस ट्राई करने के लिए आप लोग मान रहे तो करके दिखाएगा उन्हें जिला में का में क्या में ले तो जीवे ला ना ते लो ले तो जीवे को तो सही बेरंग जी कोई पैटो ले न्याय नहीं that's a trial okay yes trial okay but I'm not going to call it out unless I got who is this yes solo trial करके देखता try name है बेल्किन nang please slow please share the video so as I have told you earlier I have posted the video it's more than 1 month maybe late year $17 Kuai kalau di sana tu kuai kalau di sana tu kuai kalau dari result declare ko network acha नहीं जल्दी बोला दो participant को बहुत जल्दी बोला दो ये प्यार से करेगा मस्ती से आजा दलाले पाए ना पाए तुम्ही कमेंट करत मिलू ना करे ना तुम्ही पायताम नाही रे giveaway till that we have less subscribers so we are going to do in way on this way if we have more subscriber and if we have more commenter we are not going to do this type but it is the here we have game so who will be the luckiest one among the commenters today is the day we are going to know the luckiest one don't worry I have wrote सब लिख चुका है चिंता नहीं कीजिएगा 21 we still need 9 viewers 9 चुका है अरे 21 से 10 फिर से डिक्रीज Twenty-two. So we are going to declare the result after we reach the viewers up to 30 views. So present right now, no? Recently जिसने देखा है अभी 23 हो चुके हैं, so we still need seven people to declare the result. This is not a खाना, okay? अय्या अवंग बन नहीं है ये देखते या lâm đồng bài tay nè ya rahul bé tần nè để băng đinh nè nè so I need to mix it nicely otherwise अरे यार क्या हो गया व्यूअर्स लोग को Din na kuang ala cham sang mereng me guri jang chia lak le me chau na ngo me chu bi da kies one la 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 message distracted. Okay, try nunga te bom ta du. Okay, try nunga te bom ta da. Headhunter, hi, hello. Perang nahi yar. It's clear. Okay, Kisamne, thank you. Headhunter watching from Nagaland, thank you. Dialogue from Assam. Perang bela clear la dama dumang live stream up CD da. Okay. Ilung dai me look at kaliang gai lo cuma ke ka ma kaliang sile ma kang po wa. I enjoy it kaliang ko te sin aku video tan resume te pile ma da sade sach ma enjoy ni te here le mi na kala dai me bom te joldi bro ठीक है जल्दी कर रहा है where are you right now I am in Haflong right now bro Tommy ni yes who is that क्या बोल रहा है ये finger cross this one okay what is that सत्यनजीत क्या क्या है ब्रो जल्दी करो ठीक है जल्दी करेगा बट अभी तक हम लोग 30 व्यूअर्स भी पहुंचा नहीं है तो थोड़ा इंतजार कर लेता Royce को मैं 6 more people needed yes no we still need 7 it's already minus decrease हो चुका है क्या करेगा ना ठीक ठीक बोले हम लोग तो रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर करने में नहीं बैठो हम लोग नहीं बैठो जल्दी करने के लिए हम लोग ना ऐसे नहीं बैठो लुंग बम ले गया मैं yes 6 more people needed yes lung bam lai it's okay I'm ready to give a smile okay angry mood हंस के दिखाएगा okay declaring soon बोला दो customer you're welcome in my show shall I bring many beautiful yes you're sure bro you're sure though I'm Perun Chanite you may bring many girls to do đâu quá là thảo tin mình đi ra was ilong time please share the video so that we may get lucky person call dân nó tàu bude yes tàu là bò đó I hope my name too dear Phùng Chi name yes your name is dear तेरा नाम अपना ला नाम तो ना अपनी ला नाम तो ना इनका hey inika hey yes so now it's already 13 and 59 so we are going to wait 1 minute headhunter nang raipui nai video live telo me I have known raipui how it come yeah what about my name yes I don't know your name is since nang comment kia kya nang comment mo whether you have commented in my video or not I don't know lamoy yes ilong bamna is here le lamoy yes kisam na pa me is she is also with me hope kya ye hope kisam na 10 minutes hope you don't forget to write my name sure you are name must be here because you're the supporter of mine and then I would like to thanks to all the viewers and subscribers because of you only nang music na tunala chang je yapo give away te ratu chang ko da chip je na nang music agu ko lo ka chak za ka le nang we ga za how can I reach up to this much because of you only I just want to give salute James up okay there are some I did not comment I wish I did oh yeah Why not right boy? Nang rang I kai lu gakosme. Angela, bite, under bite. How can I be rang I? I like just like it's look like I look like. So we still need four person to declare this one. Yes. So finally, let's go to God pray. I don't do that. La 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 la. Gitar kile ngale kya tile betul sui. Gitar kile सही नहीं है. Result declare हो जाएगा. इंतजार करके रहना है. थोड़ा देर पे declare हो जाएगा. Yeah, guys. So let me declare. I'm not going to wait anymore. So tuna result declare tada. So अभी result declare करना है. From here I'm going to pick two candidates. So the first one will be the second giveaway. I'm not going to give equal, okay? I'm not going to give equal price. As we say, the collection. Yes, you are here. You are here. You are here. You are here. 100% you are here. So now it's time to declare. So I'm going to choose only 2% amount, 200 and above participant. I don't know who will be the luckiest one. Luckiest one, you will be receiving soon the prize. So no worry not. Yes, we still need 2 viewers to be started. So the rule is that from here I'm going to pick it out. So who will be the most luckiest one? I don't know. So firstly, let me pick out for the second runner. कौन runner पे आएगा पता नहीं. Giveaway runner. So let me declare, okay? I'm not going to take much time because we have no battery, and then we have not. तो आ जाओ डाला पाए ना डाला पाए अपना लाख दिखिए. अभी ट्राई करके देखता. Okay, now it's try time. Shit. I'm going to declare. It will be the second prize, and we are not going to give equal giveaway, equal price, not price. Yes, giveaway. Rồi sẽ phải mà cô quay parai tu gì na second ra gì để na price sam you le danga nang ning ka declare te guda nang chi ranga price पे जे second ra rồi ना पे जे first ra ले उल्टा कर दिया. तो आप लोग इंतजार करके रहेगा. तो right now I'm going to declare. So इसको नहीं दिखेगा. Ready? Are you ready? Ready? Yes or no? Ready में MVP रा. Comment करो ready हो क्या? Are you ready? Ready? Are you ready? Yes or no? So I'm going to pick it from here. Oh, sorry. Some fall down. So first one. Now I'm going to pick for the second prize. Second giveaway, not a prize giveaway. Second runner giveaway. runner. Okay, runner. So. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, it's already 30 viewers, so I'm going to declare now. Okay. Sorry, it's not it fall down. Okay, this will be the second prize. Yes, I've already picked it. So I'm going to read it out. Who will be the second? Are you ready? I've already picked it. Yes. I don't know who is that. Alung Riame. Are you here? Alung Riame. A big congratulations, Mr. Alung Riame. You are the second winner of this giveaway prize. So you may claim your prize within 1 week. If not, I'm not going to give you. Okay. Alung Riame, if you're here, please do comment. And then if you're not here right now, you can watch the video, and then I'm going to give a link of the Instagram. From there only you can go and have a check and go price the claim to the wile link ago description link kay wile sigana nang ago Facebook maka Instagram ko na sa lo. So the second winner is Alung Riame. Alung Riame, yes, Alung Riame. I don't know where he or she, I don't know, only Alung. A big congratulations, Miss or Mr. He or him, his or her, I don't know. So a big congratulations, Mr. Mr. Thằng nang na second holder. So right now we are going to pick it for the first one. Second is Mr. Alung Riame. Not Mr. Miss or Mr. I don't know. I have confused. Returning there. Actually, I have brought every name. Okay, those who comment in the comment section, commenters, don't worry. Your name is here, so you may be the winner. So, what the malor that is going to the winner kuda. So, abdi. Tan. Yes. So inside again. Yes. First result is going to declare now. The first winner goes to Miss or Mr. I don't know. लेकिन अभी खुल के देखता है. Yeah, very sorry यार. The first winner of this giveaway prize goes to Mr. Riame, okay? His Riame. I'm not going to call it out. His name, he, okay, not she. His name or her name is Mr. Nang go YouTube pangya. Nung comment nung zero I nung confused. So don't get confused. I've wrote the name which you have wrote in this channel in क्या है आप लोग कंफ्यूज नहीं कीजिएगा जो आप लोग नाम दिया है वो पे हम कॉपी पेस्ट करके वो पे रखा है so the first winner goes to Mr. Gabriel Riame. You may claim your prize within a given date. 1 week, within 1 week apo nang prize claim te lo Gabriel nang ko me Assam ko me Manipur ko me Nagaland ko me sim le nang pila jaiga aku comment section ke comment lo nang Ramji nang Kloji nang comment lo jaina suna the last one it's a consolation prize. Sorry. Last one will be nang GiveAway for the last consolation prize. Those names are to be, I don't know, I'm not going to declare. So if I pick it out, the last one consolation prize will be free research. Okay, free research. अगर अपना मिला तो आपका research free से कर देगा. This is the consolation prize. Okay, खराब नहीं मैंने कहा ठीक है. जो lucky है वो लोग का नाम मिल चुका है. So thank you everyone for your support and love. I hope and believe that you will continuously support me, and then we still have, and we will be organizing soon the next giveaway. So never feel sad. Because of you only, I am here today. I'm happy today. So giveaway ngom ang menung nida ta sulong nilung sia sulong nung yang giveaway ngom ra chance para relate to na consolation prize ang ya ang music ko pepe menung go research the free na to ibu nang number lang designer. So it will be the last one. Let everyone get. Oh, it's already. Yes, now I'm going to pick it up for this. अभी तो देखिए मok mok तो करेगा क्या? Yes, a boy. Nang chú contact lo. Ni heo gang. It's free for you, okay? So don't feel hesitate to contact me. Though it is a low price. So we are going to end up from here. Thank you so much, people. Those who watch my video. I have nothing to give to those who don't find, those who are not lucky. But my prayers are always with you all. So on next video, we are going to Malacca. Friend, I hope and believe that viewers are decreasing. You are not in upset, right? So thank you so much, people, those who watch and those who give their time. So stay blessed and stay safe. Still, Corona is with us, so be aware of it. So thank you, everyone. Okay, sorry, I forgot to request one thing. If you don't subscribe yet to my channel, please do subscribe and share the video and give thumbs up. So at last, I'd like to thanks to all the participants. Nang may participant bile sa swidre nang may participant bile sa na aga price ko khamle dum malai kanega aga participant bile na jana gunsen na support sa bamle sa page harana I suna aga price ngom sunne suru na mag ja page ngom ma ga rana nang mi ja to support ni de page mi page ga rana na ma sing le ban num ne da da nang mi long sia sa ngom ma le ja ja ngom ja bamle ja nang mi si bi ja an go viewers no so ga ja na abu video pi ba bam so ga nang de nang ni ru thau che nang nung ne kan ning de de le so sunara chang da nang ni je kana ya ba u chen la po hang sang ko de chi de na swi sang de le nang ni ga ja am da chang lang le so without you I am nothing ab लोग का बाजी से इतना तो पहुंचा है तो सपोर्ट देते रहेगा बिना you मैं कुछ नहीं है दुनिया में कुछ नहीं so see you again in the next video till then stay safe take care bye bye love you all